Let's get started. Let's automate SMS for Pipedrive activities created on specific customer replies. First, we'll set up HelloSend. Go to Settings, General, and select Activity as your logging preference. This ensures that all customer replies are logged as activities. In my case, I need to automate the SMS to my customer's reply who requested for appointment reschedule. Next, head to Automation Webhook and create a webhook URL. Give it a friendly name and select the person module. Choose the template you want to send and click Create Webhook URL. You'll find the generated URL in the table. Now let's move to Pipedrive. Go to Automations Webhooks and create a new automated webhook. Paste the webhook URL you copied and give it a name. Create a new automation with the trigger event set to activity added. Specify the conditions. Select activity type as HelloSend SMS. Activity subject is HelloSend SMS received. An activity note contains the word reschedule. Add an action by clicking the plus sign. Select webhook. Choose the webhook we created now. Select post method. Finally, activate the automation and give it a descriptive name. That's it. Now, whenever an activity is created that matches your specified conditions, an automated SMS will be sent to the customer based on the template you created. Book a slot with us using the link in the description, and we'll guide you through the messaging channel setup. Happy texting!